Right, welcome to another video from DIY PC Repairs. This time I'm going to take a look at how to repartition your hard drive at the point in which you're going to install Windows 7. We're just going to cover how to delete partitions, remake partitions, and then format and install. So what we're going to do is we're going to restart this computer. Now this is already set to boot from DVD, but we'll just check. So in this instance we press F2 to get into the BIOS, and then we shift along to the boot. And you can see there that we've got CD at the top and hard drive. So we just hit escape, and then we just hit enter. It's going to save, and then we hit enter again. Okay, this is going to reboot the computer, and it's going to ask us to boot from DVD. We press any key, and there we go. We're into the Windows install phase. Okay, and now we're going to enter the graphical part of the install. Right, so at this point we're going to select which country we're in. We're in the UK here, so we click UK, we hit next. And this is going to offer us the install now button, which we're going to click on there. I've got a video on the channel covering how to clean, install, format and install Windows 7. On this video I'm just going to concentrate on how to repartition during the install phase. We accept the license terms, click next, and we're going to do a custom install. Right, here we go. So this is going to tell us now the partitions that we've got on this system. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all these partitions. I just want one big one. So we'll start on the bottom partition there, and then we hit options in the advanced list there, and then we just hit delete. All data will be lost. Make sure you've got your files backed up before you do this, because you will lose everything. This is going to wipe the drives completely. To the point it's going to actually delete the whole system and start again. So we're just going to hit OK there. That's going to delete that. So you'll notice now that we've got 10 gig of unallocated space. We're then going to go to the next partition and do the same again. So we've got partition 2, it's just shy of 15 gig there. So we're going to hit delete. Again, the warning to make sure that your files are you backed your files up. And then we've just got this one partition left, which we're going to delete. Click OK. Okay, so now what's happened there is we've got one big unallocated space of 25 gig, and I just want one partition. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click new here, and it's going to give us maximum drive size or maximum partition size. So I'm just going to click apply. It does ask you to create, or it might create, additional partitions for file systems and files and whatever you. Click OK. Okay, so you'll notice that it's created this system reserved area here. Don't worry too much about that. What we've got underneath it here is our 25 gig, or again just shy of 25 gig partition. This partition is now going to need formatting, so again we'll just highlight that and click format, and we'll click OK once we've read through that. Again, I'm not too worried about losing data or anything on this system. There's, once you've previously deleted a partition, there's nothing left to lose. Okay, so now it's formatted the partition that we want to install Windows on. All we simply do now is click next, and Windows will begin the install. Right, and that's basically it. That's how to install Windows 7 and deal with partitioning a hard drive at the same time. So any partition you've got there, delete it, and then recreate the partition, the size of the partition you'd like. Once you've created that partition, format it, and then pick that partition and install Windows. Check out the channel, got more videos on there covering a wide variety of things, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.